The devastating breach over Christmas on the Llangollen Canal near Whitchurch is still fresh in all our minds, of course, and it's going to take months and months for them to repair that. As you can imagine, I was pretty worried when I came across this section of the Leeds and Liverpool that looks as if it could breach any day. I have reported it to the Canal and River Trust, so hopefully they will be doing something about it before it becomes a disaster. The location of this video is on the Leeds and Liverpool, where the canal goes over a stream on an aqueduct, and it's right by Bridge 173, which is one of the swing bridges along here. As you can see, the Arnco disappears for a little while, and although there are a couple of sandbags in place, there are places where the water is pretty much lapping over the edge, and that's all it takes to get a breach going. If enough water trickles through a gap, it then starts washing away the rest of the bank, and before you know where you are, you can have a huge hole in the bank. Potentially this can be caused by perhaps a farm animal climbing around on the bank, or a boat going past a bit too fast. Either way, once the water starts trickling through, that can be the end of it for the bank. This is the view from the lane away from the towpath, and you can see that there's not a lot holding that bank back. There's also some damage the other side of the bridge on the towpath side, where the bank is crumbling away, and there's a big steep drop into the field beyond. That could be potentially disastrous as well. Fortunately, the weight of the concrete is probably going to hold things back there. Thanks for watching and safe cruising.